Today we're tackling a quick and easy furniture makeover for this table I picked up for $50 at the thrift store. It's super cute, I love the style, but I don't love the cherry wood look. I want it to be light and fresh and go with any home decor today. Not dark with that reddish cherry wood tone. So we're going to update it without sanding, priming, or top coat. This will be a super quick makeover, very beginner friendly and budget friendly as well. We always remove the hardware first, and then instead of sanding, I brushed on this deglosser using my pointed brush. This is the trick to painting furniture without sanding. This table was pretty glossy to begin with. You could definitely see a nice shine to it. The deglosser helps remove that shine, which makes the paint stick better. To be honest, I'm always a little skeptical of deglossers. I don't think that they do as good of a job as sanding. But after using it, I could totally see the difference.
I don't know if you can tell or not, but there definitely is not as much of a sheen on here as there once was. This used to be super glossy, and now there is, I would say, more of a satin sheen than a gloss sheen on this. So that is awesome. It really worked.
The other trick to painting furniture without sanding, priming, or top coating is using the right paint. I used Heirloom Traditions paint in the color Putty. It's a warm gray that is just beautiful. You can brush and roll this paint on. I've tried it in the past, but I personally don't care for how it ends up looking with a lot of bumps and texture. I've heard there's a trick to getting a smooth sprayed on look with a brush and roller, but I have not figured it out. I really don't like texture in my painted finishes, so I prefer to spray it on with this sprayer. That's my favorite for beginners because it comes with everything you need and it's cheap too. All I can say, using a paint sprayer for spindles is a game changer. If you've ever painted spindles with a brush, you know it's a pain. It takes forever. Using a round paintbrush saves a lot of time, but a sprayer saves even more. It is so fast. I got a coat of paint onto this table in about 5 minutes. Brushing it on, it would have taken me like 45 minutes. After an hour or so, the paint was dry and I sprayed on the second coat and let it dry. After 24 hours, I was able to reattach the hardware. Thankfully, this hardware wasn't anything weird that needed to be changed out, so it was super easy to put the hardware back on. Remember, this is what the little table looked like before. Nothing wrong with it, but it screams outdated in the cherry finish. And here's what it looks like now. I cannot express how much I love how easy this makeover was. It took me just a few hours from start to finish. No sanding mess, no priming, no wasting time on a top coat. It was super simple and would even be simpler for you with a brush and roller. With the old cherry wood finish, I wouldn't be able to put this piece in my home with all of the gray finishes. Gray and cherry red don't mix well. But now, I'm trying to find a place in my home for this little cutie. What do you think of the new look? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more makeovers. Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.